In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a vendor discount in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the cleanest way to enter the bill at full price, record the discount properly, apply it at payment, and finish by reconciling the transaction so your books stay accurate. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. From the left menu, open Expenses, then Vendors, and select the vendor you're working with. This keeps everything tied to the correct profile and makes the payment and reconciliation steps seamless later on. Next, record the bill for the full amount before any discount. Choose Bill, enter the bill date, due date, and the correct expense categories or items you're being charged for. If the vendor offers an early payment discount, do not reduce the bill here. The bill should reflect the original amount you owe. You can add a note in the memo field to remind yourself of the discount terms, just for clarity when you come back to pay it. Now create the discount. The most common method is a vendor credit. Open a vendor credit for the same vendor, enter the discount amount, and select the same expense accounts or items used on the bill so the cost is reduced correctly. Add a clear memo such as early payment discount for an audit trail. If your workflow requires a journal entry instead, make sure the entry references accounts payable and the vendor's name so it can be applied to the bill, and use the same categories affected by the original bill. The key is that the discount reduces the expense or item cost and is linked to the vendor in accounts payable. When you're ready to pay, go to Pay Bills or the Bill Payment screen. Select the bill, and you should see the vendor credit available to apply. Apply the credit to the bill and confirm that the remaining amount due matches what you'll actually pay. Double check dates and memos so everything lines up with your cash flow and the vendor's terms. Finally, save the payment and reconcile the transaction. When the payment appears in your bank feed, match it to the recorded bill payment so you don't create duplicates. During your monthly reconciliation, mark the payment as cleared and verify that the bill, the applied credit, and the payment net to the correct total. If anything doesn't match, review the dates, amounts, and the account selected on the vendor credit or journal entry. That's it. By entering the bill at full value, recording the discount properly, and applying it at payment, your expenses and accounts payable stay accurate and easy to reconcile.